Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss about class 8th topic, chapter number 3rd, indices and cube root. Practice set 3.2. So within a practice set 3.2 we have the first question, complete the following table. We have given the number, power of the root we have to write, and root of the power. So within it first sub question we have already given, which is solved one. 225 to the power 3 divided by 2. So how to read it, the number as per the power of root? So firstly we have the cube. So cube of, then 1 by 2 means the square root of 225. And while reading now, first of all we have to read the root and then the power. So we are having square root of cube of 225 like way. Look at the second sub question now. We have 45 to the power 4 by 5. So first of all we have to read as per the power of root. So that we can write it is of the form 45 to the power 1 by 5 and whole to the power 4. That means ultimately we are using here a to the power m into n. We can write it is of the form a to the power m whole to the power n. So that we are having here fourth power of fifth root of 45. Look at the power first. We have a 4. So whenever integer we have a power, so we have to read it as a fourth power only, and one rational as a power we have to read it as a root. Keep in mind. So that we are having here fourth power of whom fifth root. That means we are having 1 by 5 as a power, so it will becomes a fifth root of whom, so of 45. Now we have to read it firstly the root, nextly to the power. That means we are writing same number 45 to the power 4 by 5 as a 45 raised to 4 and whole to the power 1 by 5. Now look at, once we are having rational as a power, so it becomes a root now. So we are writing it is of the form like way, it is fifth root of whom, now we have integer as a power, so fourth power of we have 45. Next number we are having 81 to the power 6 by 7. So firstly we have to write it is in terms of powers are root. That means we are writing now 81 to the power 1 by 7 and whole to the power 6. So 6 becomes a integer, so it will becomes a sixth power. Keep in mind, once we have the integer value of whom seventh root. Once a power is the rational number, so it will becomes sixth power of, we have seventh root. Seventh root of whom? 81. So we are writing seventh root of 81 like way. Now look at carefully. Once we are writing now root and then power, that means we have it is of the form 81 to the power 6 now and whole to the power 1 by 7. So power becomes a rational number, so that we are having seventh root. Seventh root of whom? We are having sixth power of 81. So that we are writing sixth power of 81. Look at the next one. We are having 100 to the power 4 by 10. Firstly we are writing the power and nextly we are writing the root is in the first column. So that we can write 100 to the power 4 by 10 as a 100 to the power 1 by 10 and whole to the power 4. That means once the integer is the power, we are writing fourth power. Fourth power of whom? Seventh root. Now the power becomes here 10th root. Power becomes a rational number as a 1 by 10. So we are writing 10th root of whom? Of 100. Now we have to read the firstly root and nextly to the power. That means we are writing now 100 to the power 4 by 10 as a 100 to the power 4 and whole to the power 1 upon 10. Now rational as the power, so that we are reading alongwise 10th root. Look at the denominator, we are having 10, so it is 10th root of whom? Now integer as the power, so it will becomes 4th power of 100. So we are writing 4th power of 100. Look at the last number, 21 to the power 3 by 7. So we are reading firstly the power and nextly to the root. That means we are writing it is of the form 21 to the power 1 by 7 and whole to the power 3 is of the form so that once a integer as the power, so we are reading it as a third power, means now the cube of. Keep in mind, once the second power we are having, we read it as a square. Third power we are having, we read it as a cube. So cube of whom? Now the power becomes 1 by 7, rational number, so that it is 7th root. Now look at the denominator becomes a 7, so 7th root of whom? 21. Keep in mind. Now we are reading firstly the root, nextly to the power, so that we are writing now 21 to the power 3 by 7 as a 21 to the power 3 and whole to the power 1 by 7. Now rational as the power, so it will becomes denominator as the 7, so it will become 7th root of whom? Cube of 21. Now 3 becomes an integer value, so we will read it as a cube of 21 like way. Look at the second question is in practice set 3.2. We are having write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Rational as the indices, keep in mind. Okay, so square root of 5th power of 121. So how to write this number now? So the first sub question we are having square root of whom? So square root means 1 by 2th power, that means 1 upon 2, rational power we are having. Square root of whom? 5th power of 121, that means we are having 121 to the power 5, or we may write it as an 121 to the power 5 into half becomes 5 by 2. Keep in mind. Look at the second sub question, cube of 4th root of 324, so that we are having now cube of whom? Cube means the power becomes integer value as a 3. 4th root of, that means power becomes root is used, so power becomes 1 by 4 now. Of whom? Of 324. We can write it as an 324 to the power 3 by 4 also. Now look at the third sub question. 5th root of square of 264. Now we have given firstly the root, so try to be focused. 5th root, that means 1 by 5 be the power of whom? Square of 264. We can write it as an 264 to the power 2 ones are 2 divided by 5, that means 2 by 5. Look at the fourth sub question now. Cube root of 3. Read it carefully. We have the cube of, that means raised to the integer power as a 3. Cube root of, that means now we have the rational power as a 1 by 3. Of whom? Of 3. So that we are having ultimately 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 3 becomes 3 by 3 as a 3 to the power 1, means we have a 3. Keep in mind, but we have to write it is of the form cube of cube root of 3. On simplifying we might get the 3. So here we have our practice set 3.2. Thank you.